Welcome to Slide Bazaar's PowerPoint for Pros, a series focused on helping you become better at PowerPoint. In this video, let's take a look at how you can insert a table, format them, and to make a table look good in PowerPoint. Before we begin, I highly recommend you to check out Slide Bazaar's free PowerPoint add-in for PowerPoint templates, themes, charts, icons, and more. Check out the links in the description to learn more about the add-in. Let's get started. To insert a table into your PowerPoint slide, first go to Insert and click on Table. You can hover your mouse over the cells to fix the number of rows and columns you want. When you have hovered over the right number of rows and columns, click your mouse to add the table to your slide. If you want more rows and columns, you can also click on Insert Table in the drop-down menu and manually enter the number of rows and columns you need. To move the table, simply click on the edge and drag. You can also click on the sizing handles to resize the table however you want. To enter text into your table, click on a cell and just type. You can use the tab or arrow keys on your keyboard to navigate between cells in your table. Now if you want to add more rows and columns, here's what you can do. Click on the table, go to the Layout tab in the ribbon and find the Rows and Columns group, and use the buttons here to insert new rows and columns. To delete a row or column, use the Delete button in the Layout tab. You can also right-click the table to quickly add or delete rows and columns. Now while we are at the Layout tab, let's look at some of the ways you can format your table in PowerPoint. You can quickly change the height and width of your table by adjusting the values about table size. You can check the Lock Aspect Ratio feature to ensure the aspect ratio of the table does not change. You can also manually adjust the cell size in the same way. Another way you can make your table look better is by adjusting the text alignment in your tables. You can do this by tweaking the settings in the alignment section. Sometimes you may need to add something to your table that requires more than just one cell. In such cases, you can merge cells. To do this, select two or more cells and click on Merge Cells. You can split them by clicking on Split Cells. Now let's play around with some settings and customize how the table looks like. Click on the table and then click on Table Designs in the ribbon. Here in Table Style Options, you will see many settings that you can play around with to get the desired look for your table. You can also quickly change the colors of the tables in the Table Styles section. Finally, draw borders on your tables using the settings found in Draw Borders. You can use this to quickly highlight specific parts of the table. Here are some additional tips on creating tables in PowerPoint. When presenting a table in PowerPoint, sometimes it's better to reveal the table bit by bit. You can talk about the table as each row or column appears, using your time to give context, helping your audience understand your table better. To do this, after your table is ready, press Ctrl+X to cut it. Then go to Paste in the Home tab and click on the drop-down arrow and click on Paste Special. From the list, select SVG. Once the table has appeared on the slide again, right-click on the table, convert it to shape, and then right-click again and ungroup it until you get each individual cell as a separate shape. Now select each cell in a row one by one and group them again by pressing Ctrl+G. Finally, add animation to each row so that they appear one by one. Let's look at another animation that you can try to make your audience focus on a specific row or column. After your table is ready, simply duplicate the slide and resize a single row or column, and repeat this however times you want. Then select all the slides and select Morph Transition. I hope this quick guide on inserting and formatting tables has been helpful. Do not forget to check out Slide Bazaar's free PowerPoint add-in to improve your presentation creation process. The links are in the description. Subscribe to this channel and I'll talk to you all on the next video.